him they talk.
He say your husband say may go start a road work.
Yes, he thinks say I don't know what he thinks say they bring our quarrel.
How many children? How many children you get for him? How many children you get for your husband?
They tell me like that, say he wants make I go do road work.
But how many children you get for your husband?
I get 2 children for him.
2 children. Now your husband say may go back to road work.
Yes, I get 2 boys for him.
You are from where?
I'm from Isa.
Your husband is from where?
He's from Delta.
Delta ma?
Yes.
He not love you. If he tell you say may go roads, he not love you. Or maybe he get what you do one. Where he go tell you say okay if not
my husband really dey nice. He really dey nice. He do everything for me, but I don't know what always they bring this quarrel. I have tried all I could, avoiding everybody because of him, avoiding my family. But yes,
wait. Not be too often I said today before yesterday.
Yes.
But your husband tell me say now your mama. Your husband tell me say now your mama say me go road work. Now what did he tell me?
Big lie. I know say they watch you now. That's not big lie. He just wants a way to explain things to you.
Where he say your husband they call you every day 2 times say you don't want again.
Yes, that's not big lie. So I tell him say instead for him to tell me say make I go road work, instead for me to do that, I go stay there for here. They wait till when he calm down. I come, but if he still not calm down, I will still be here waiting.
How many times your husband don't tell you say may go road work?
I cannot count. I cannot count.
Even when you deal with her for inside bed, they still they tell you.
Yes, yes.
No cry, no cry. My brother, you dey online because you dey follow me. How can you tell your husband, your wife may go do a shower? Wife will born 2 children for you. Is it a place for you when you want to do the ashawo? You don't find the place for you.
You don't find anything for me. Oh.
Now, where you want to go do the ashawo? Jamie?
I did France.
I know. Where you want to do the ashawo? Now, France, you have been where?
I don't know, but I know it because I never do. As I call you the first person when I deal with. And I deal with her, I never visit somebody else. Even if they use me, they set me up for phone. And they see after nine they do. I don't ask her many times. If you don't want me again, tell me. Because I never cheat on you.
Which kind of thing be this one? After 2 children?
The children do with her.
No be now your husband sees your children now. Be not be you with her. Now I settled 2 of una yesterday now. You not sleep there again.
Did, but yesterday, yes, I didn't sleep. Yesterday, he tell me I go back.
Yes.
Tell me I go back because he asked me for money. I said I don't get money. He told me I come out. He pushed me outside.
Your husband asked you money, say me give her money.
Yes, he said me I borrow money. I said I don't get.
How much he said me you borrow?
He said I give him 50 euros. I said I don't have.
True, you not get?
I don't get because my sister, he don't ask me for money, and me I day alone. I don't get food for us. I need to buy things. I explained to her, but he just vex.
How can your husband tell you say me go do a shower? May you wait. I get it not by here. Wait. If you're not Benin person, I go say na so Benin may abuse here. My brother, if you are watching me, I never believe because your husband tell me say na your mama. Now he say me go do a shower.
It's a lie. He say my mother they call me too much. My mother they call me too much. Okay, because of that I stopped. I tell my mother, even they ask me this evening, tell me my mother they try my number. I say make she not try my number again because my number no fit go for her again.
Okay, now how many your husband number end? Now 06 Abi? Now it end.
End with 10. 510.
510. Make I find number.
I'm there for WhatsApp.
Oh, may you hold on. Oh, now wait. Hi, Jesus. My husband, a very responsible man. Brother, we pick a call. Hello, brother. He said, brother, what? Really, here. I told one ever so can wait because I was surprised him. Mujane, brother. What guy? What a man or yak bashawo?
Because of the way
What can one more you know to man or yak bashawo?
Yes, more time.
Wait, what's here, brother?
Not here, eh? Again, I'm alive now. But me, friend, only more really, we are. Madame Momo, you know what we madame a day or as well. You know, say, we are. You know, another more idea. A dear, you know, the more the so there will be another payers again. Before when document, if you never get document, you go the stock affair. The period with people, you know, really they rest.
Okay.
They go marry you go. The same go marry you go. Now woman go they join them. You go join people. Now after they say, yeah, now let you go carry cookie or you go to White House. Now you take get that money go to give your people.
Okay.
Now tell her, God help you see me. He no one follow me. You want to tell him this where I just tell you follow me the plan. That will say he said get document, we take the document for Italy. Everything is okay for us. Now me follow this one plan, take document for Italy. I carry our contract for one, go commission for Italy. I carry our contract, of work for one. For a year, I do operation where they give me 10 years because after I like to show you. If people want to know what I say they get documents for a year, if people they awesome. As people they awesome, if people will tell the IFB, you know they tell the IFB. They don't let me the rest. They tell me they pack all the money where they give and they pack all the money. What you make me collect these children for a hand? I've maybe go school. He don't finish school. My kids there money where they pay my kids, they want to go give the family.
Give the family. Okay, now make you collect the children from her.
Yes, because
okay, now the way family they disturb her, now make you tell her say me go to a child so that I can make the pack money give the family.
Make go see money go give the family. Because in my mom they call her 5 times every day for my house. I go tell her, you know the year. After they talk, if I find my mom, they call me.
5 times in a day.
Me and the family, they don't. It's senior brother and daughter. They don't do everything by us. Make sure they kill me. Now God just saved me. Because I'm not the fact. I mean, they cannot do a child. I mean, they cannot do a child. I mean, they cannot follow their boy. I mean, they cannot. But as it comes, it may be people the last week now. I carry. I said I go build up to my state. Now I say build up to my state. I build just up to my state. Even if I call, I go tell social. Even if I call, I go tell social. It's not calling for me 3 times for this one. The last one for this one, like I don't even get documents. You know the thing now, this paper where I get where I show police, the person might go sleep outside. This woman, it's the way it gets. Now, small PKO, the way it gets. Ask her, make it call and give me ask her and say, I don't ever come apply any plan where you never something.
How old she be?
28 years.
And you come?
I be 34.
34. But if not, I'm a settle wife, Vavinedian, and I will not be a kenuje.
Yes, because again now, not soon. Not that you go because I have a daughter in Nigeria, 50 years.
Okay.
If I not said to tell the Nigeria, the bring some money for him, I pay for years. I can't pay the money. I'm not going to get too much money again. I can't say if I go pay for him now, money no dey mind again. I can't say make I tell wait. Because him I go pay and say I don't pay go. He say will give me for his time. I tell him this one not give me. You know what say go give me.
It can't be 50 euro.
No, you're not giving me money. You're not TikTok. When I want to say, why you not give me the money? Say me I go pay. So why you not give me your own for a time? He said me set up I will give my daughter for Nigeria. He said if you keep away there, me never take over. Me go take over all day for Nigeria. Now then for tell us say. I call that was very. I go see my pikin where I go, I take off. Who be the papa? You want me my pikin go do prostitution? You want my pikin go be papa dey alive? Make I not pay my pikin school fees. Let pikin not chop. Because it's the woman. The one take off for the fantasy take off the whole Nigeria. All of my children. The one take off this one, take off all of them.
Yes, all of them.
What this woman make me? This woman, the people they want to do with me. Now prove, let me tell you all. Now make her, you not carry me go court because I get proof of everything. Go court and defend us.
Okay. Okay, if you carry you go court, you go win now because you get proof.
Yes, if you carry go court, you know, say I get proof. If you carry go court. Now make her, you know, carry me go court. If you carry go court, we give the children to government or they give me the children. Me, I cannot leave my children for any woman to use my children's destiny to a family. Two of us to take off our children. If you not agree, government to take off the children.
Okay.
Then you go enter street, I go enter street. So, now what happened? After this girl come me, then since he enter Europe, then I come to the class and I take career. From there, I start to the airplane, they come. People, the first one, the airplane, if people come, because I never go defend them, at the airplane, people come, they thank me. Mama, you need to get document for this country easy.
Not easy. Now, if family want just scatter this marriage, God not go free.
Then they give this girl. If I talk to them, like this girl story. Now me for my friends everything. Only that document I know what I do for this girl. This girl know they give them, they respect me.
Yes.
This guy too. I tell her, but if you tell her, it's not so good do it's the younger sister they talk now. The mama don't tell her go this thing. They call her they say your younger sister don't go for law. They can't go this country now as we talk now.
Mama doesn't go Africa country.
May go pay Africa country, may go pay 3 million. My dad don't carry that one come out now.
May go do Ashawo.
May go do Ashawo.
3 million naira.
For Dubai. As we talk now, this my woman now, he carry that matter for head now. He carry that sister will for Dubai matter for head now. I never get document. When they pay me for when they pay me with the people there for people that are the help people. At the end, they for program the end. Make it come, make it out, make it talk. If I want some money for my if I want some money for my daughter, this one is not the thing. Because it's not a problem. But if I want some money to give the people, it's not the problem. And the same money go to give the people, but it's not the problem. Because why pikin wey born, you go say mama send money for am. You eat am so you talk of mama go fit stay. But people make me send money give my kid. I wan carry my daughter come here. I wan carry her come here.
Okay, you wan carry her come France?
The same they keep the clue.
Okay.
Now make her see that the receipt where I send money give my daughter. The same he know say that I keep tell am. So that the case I go for, they will show things like picking. The property is take off until they send money for that. I think the social tell us to make it, they say they pay me every month 160 for one picking. Now they pay me.
Ew.
I think they now that they tell people for Europe, man, take off your children, man and woman are 50-50 for Europe law for concerning picking. I think then if you're ready to calm down, we'll stay together. If you're not ready to calm down, everybody will go. But my children, I know will give them my children. If you let me grab the open, I know will give them. I know. I can take care of picking very well. I know will give them.
Okay, now. Okay, now. My brother, we may settle wife, and what you will be seeing now. It's
not case always. But my picking, my old picking, he send me no piece of money for my picking.
You know what we best says on we know then.
Wait, he send me no piece of money for my old picking. You know for the house. And they tell us these children, now what picking I bought for them. These children with this is brother so they don't have blood. If I take off this one out tomorrow, now this one can, if maybe I'm not here, this one can help his brother. It can help his brother. They can help each other. They are getting the same from me. You are depreciating my children when I'm alive. Who are you to depreciate my children?
Okay, now, as the children there with you, now who they collect the children money, now you?
Everything, but me, if it does start work now, he will call they pay me for 150 years, they pay me 150.
If she don't start work, she go come they pay you 150.
No, for 150 years, they pay me 150.
Two go be 300.
320.
320, she go they pay you.
Yes. The loan are 50-50. If there's no tell everything, you know. If you not pay, I can't go court will decide.
You know, carry and go, I beg.
Make I see if you never take off the education, it's not you won't take off your family or your sister for Nigeria. Work together, let's try together. As you go to work, I go to work. We'll take off children, you say no. You won't do it. Well, I'm not telling you conference here. You reach and you won't betray me. Now because this girl, when we continue to say they go back, if they go back to Italy, he say won't go do so wrong. I tell her, patient. Now patient, now and you not spend when we come here, we not spend these 2 years before they give us 10 years.
I beg. Now beg, I want to beg you. I beg. You're not supposed to understand each other. I beg. That road work, when you tell us, me go to a shower.
If I don't watch you, this one will tell me, say, if you go say, I'm not watching. Now you tell me, say, I'm not watching.
She gonna tell you, say, me, you know, they watch me.
Yes. Awesome.
See ya.
I tell her, say, you give us advice, not to make mistake. But I can't just come up for here now. He doesn't know me now because they watch me. As they watch me now because it's true me say they watch me.
Hi.
Now what do you see for it? Now what do you see for Europe? Also my wife now 50-50. Last time we take from me, they not even start picking papa. They not even bad picking. You go leave everything for your wife. Anything when you see, you go bear am.
Okay.
The way woman take off pikin, so woman take off pikin. For Europe, yeah, now woman say they still work pass man. Go look at the so women like they work. But for here, our men, they don't want. They will say, no, your mama don't want me to talk to my pikin. Your mama don't talk to my pikin. If they get pikin, you feel bad. You feel bear a papa.
Now the children now where you collect from, how old are they?
One day for 2 years, one day 3 years.
You want to take care of them?
Oh, you know what I can do.
2 years old baby.
Before social, I practice social. Before social, they know my capacities. They know what I will do.
Jesus Christ.
People when they talk, people who know me, if they hear about me, they will tell you.
The way you talk, you tell nice.
And they cook. And now they cook, and they do everything for us. If I fight for video call, I go see my house. I don't clean everything. I don't wash. I don't clean everywhere. I don't cook jollof rice. I don't cook soup. I don't cook everything for his house.
2 years old pikin, you want as a man, but you as you be so you know if you work again.
I feel work. Why not feel work? If I drop them for class, I'll drop them for class. I'll drop them for school. They are going. I go to school.
You can't go your school.
I go to school. If I go Monday afternoon, I go send it to me look this children. This man go dey complain. For you know children again. If I send you video with this man talking not to take off the key, it's supposed to be lesbian. You not go believe.
She said she's supposed to be a lesbian.
Yes, he said he's not supposed to be a mother. Everything you talk to, I have the proof.
How can a woman go just talk say not supposed to be a mother?
He said not a woman's person. I get the proof, I get everything.
You see?
If I give judge only that for judge, make it now judge won't give us the key.
So you get the proof. When she they talk and you record down.
Mama, I say all those are small food. Our women we say there's a need for sure make more for us. Make the call for sure make more for us.
Okay.
If I did, if women like this, they for like me for Europe, women all women for the sake of us. All women for the sake of us. If you don't want to stay with us, let them go do anything you want to do. It go they pay me, make it go they work, they pay me.
Yeah, so now she work on they pay you. So after now, you go call the answer single father. Yeah, brother, where do I want a single father? Because he got paid, no one will be a single father.
I don't think the single father, it doesn't make
okay, you don't have to be single father.
Because the pikin, if I leave the pikin for me, I go the parent. As the parent, it go there to the enjoy. So the parent, cash go the parent pikin money. Me go the parent that money join. But only I go like my pikin never reach 3 years and they pay down every month separate. Then me go if I dey work now, still pay down and join them. You know what you go to collect every month. Only that money, you not go to work. If people go to enjoy for us, then me go there for suffer. I go to suffer. Now make I this man come from here.
I beg, we want settle two of my brother. What matter? Where you love her, yeah. I think we follow where there is a marriage. I have settled a lot of marriage in this program. Where you love her, yeah, matter.
The problem is that if I tell her, only the question where me ask her if you know me, I don't ever come apply anything when not work for her. If I tell her, say, that's how I want this person may be. That's how I want her. if you follow me, they do like that. Move at the age make yourself. I no go like her. I no go like her. I no go like her at all. I don't be oppressor. Mama, you don't decide to make man. You know, I say you work with me for house. Now we dey do our house, cook you everything. I know they say. At the same time, they work like saying they find document for you, like saying they find something for you.
Yo.
I need to go carry food. I need to go do everything.
Okay, now may you listen. Okay, listen. I want to ask one question. Hold on. Hello, my baby.
Hello, ma.
Just listen. You still love your husband, yes or no?
If a woman too like man, no problem. Let me do so. So nobody go ask me whether I like him. Now they need to ask this time because I have tried. I think he don't judge now. If he judge like this for court, I think he go win. But in respect to protect my children, if he wants to take me to court, I will be ready because he got a proof, a lot of proof, but I got just one proof for him. But in the protection of my children, what I want, if he wants to eat money, any money he wants to eat, let him eat. Because I also like to work. I want money I work for.
Okay, now you want make a settle two of una? You want me to settle two of una nana? May you go take care of your 2 years old baby.
You feel settle us, but you are not his family. I think I know in a family that they say family now they marry a woman. If his family don't recognize woman they want to marry, how is it marriage? I have tried. I don't know how you feel to settle this issue, but I have tried.
Hello, brother. Were you in love with her, yes or no?
Mama, you I do so. Me not there for it. Don't say where I don't love.
Okay, you not love him again.
Waiting me careful. I don't get love for any woman. Waiting me careful. I care for we there together, take care of our children. As a husband and wife. If you say no, if you say no, they can go in and do my own. If you say he get proof, I can get proof, so we'll go court. The picky, I'm not going to leave her for him. He's not going to leave her for me. Government will take over. Two of them will come straight.
No, it's not going to happen like that. It's better me if you not so, may you take care of her. No. If government collect and those children go, they're not going to eat better food. They'll come to no. I don't want to make kunaka. If you not so, thank God say where she dey not far from your place. You go come to see her children. They're there with their papa, now still the same family will be. Or mama na guera or so or mommy. Okay? No, it's better than we have your government. We ma only what police ye case now. I don't want make police enter. If you don't want they together again. Because now you don't clear and now say you don't love again. But you want make una take care of the children as husband and wife. My beautiful baby, you understand now? I mean, you don't want to like that. You want marry?
Me, I want to stay with a man, but he don't want to stay with me.
You.
He don't want me to stay with him.
Hello, brother. My best statement is not giving now. Only a total K when you only marry. Brother.
Mama, you again now, if I tell you like, me, I know this their condition. I be there and they come. This guy need deliverance. When you are to deliverance, only the deliverance. I'm going to tell you so. I told myself, I said, oh, Maria will go deliver.